welcome back to De-Influenced, the spot where my goal is to de-influence you from today's social media influencers. And I'm going to do that by, telling you guys the truth. I will expose the lies, the total BS, the problem behaviors, and everything that the influencers don't like to show you on their shiny, happy news feeds. Today, we are going to be talking about Dougherty Dozen. We talked about her 2 weeks ago now, I believe it'll be, and I want to continue the conversation about consumerism. We'll probably touch a little bit about child exploitation and arguably child endangerment or welfare, it doesn't matter. And I want to show you guys a couple clips of things she's been doing recently because it's getting to be a little too much. And I think that we're going to see a new shift in influencers, and it's going to be a shift from being inspirational and sharing all the blah blah BS that they spew to us, and I think we're going to see a shift in infamy and people trying to be infamous. And I think that's what Alicia from Dougherty Dozen is doing, to be honest, because there's no way, you guys, that a good mom, as people like to call her, would do this and feed this type of stuff to her kids and do what she's doing. And I don't think it's okay to play the villain and to become infamous at the expense of your children. And that's kind of where we are with Alicia right now. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. All right, so Alicia from Dougherty Dozen. Before we go and look at what's happening, why people are up in arms most recently about the Dougherty Dozen, I want to go in and look at just a couple of her videos. Like, what does she portray herself to be? Who does she show her fans that she is versus when we get into the allegations and stuff, who she actually is? Let's get into this. And I have a hard time with this one because I don't want to show you guys the videos of her talking about her kids' disorders and the things they struggle with, because I don't want to put that in front of more eyes. I don't think that's fair to the kids. We can talk more so about other things that are harmful for the kids and what she's teaching her kids and stuff like that, but we're not going to talk about the medical diagnoses. However, I'm sure it is all over her Reddit forums. You can probably go. I'm sure the receipts are all there. I've seen them with my own earballs. I have heard her say the thing about the adult pull-ups, the thing about, like I said, the medications, the diagnoses. I've seen it. It does exist, I promise, but I'm not gonna share that because I don't want to. I don't think it's right for me to share that and further expose these kids and their stories. So let's go look at some TikToks first. I feel like this is probably the one, November 8th or August 11th, I don't know, 2011, oh my God, 2021, which is about the time that they went viral. So this is probably her viral video. 5 a.m., mom of 10, and then she kind of went ham on this. And it's so funny because she's cooking all this stuff and all this hot breakfast and yada yada. And look at all the pill containers. There, right there. Do you see them? But yeah, look at all those pill containers. They're just sitting there. Okay, well, 5 a.m. for a mom of 10. The first comment here, great job, mama, but why aren't the kids helping pack their own lunches? Probably easier without their help. Yeah, literally. I was going to say the exact same thing. But it teaches them to rely on other people. Those lunches look like they are for kids that would be old enough to make their own. Yeah, they are. But she doesn't make her kids do anything, or her husband, or anything. So damn, they better be grateful if that isn't the funniest, most ironic comment. They are the least grateful children on the planet because she gives them everything. And she has this one with the two older boys, put a finger down, spoiled kid edition. And it's just you think this is funny and you think it's a flex, but it's not. It's not.
How we became a family.
No, thank you.
Here's what my 11 kids ate today.
Here's one.
For breakfast, they had pancakes with bacon and berries.
So they had pancakes.
For lunch, we had Rayo's pizza with celery, oranges, and Doritos.
So pizza and
They
Doritos.
grabbed something from the pantry for their afternoon snack. For dinner, we had shredded pork tacos with toppings and Fritos. And the kids wanted strawberry ice cream for dessert. Bon appetit! Monday mini vlog. It's that time of week again where I take one of my kids out for some one-on-one time, and Jordan and I came to painting with a twist
When was
for their
this?
glow-in-the-dark sea creature painting class. We both started by painting
What?
a sea theme.
What? This is my weekly time with where I take one of my kids out. I'm spending one-on-one time with my kids. Hold on, I gotta let a kitty in. Never seen her say, like, I'm gonna spend one-on-one time with my kids. No. Again, because people call her out because she doesn't spend one-on-one time with her kids. You wanna say hi to everybody? Pretty. Come here to pretty. You're such a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah, she doesn't spend one-on-one time with them. That's because people are calling her out because she doesn't spend one-on-one time with her kids. Ugh. Lies, lush.
Colored background of our 16 by 20 canvases. Once that step was complete, we went and dried them with hair dryers so we could chalk outline our sea creature. Jordan chose an axolotl drinking a boba, and I chose a sea turtle. Then we chose our paint colors and got to painting. This experience was perfect for Jordan and I because Jordan is a very good artist and I am not so much. But they guide you along and help you every step of the way so that you can create the perfect painting. Once we were done, we saw what they looked like under the black light, then grabbed some paint.
Thank you for spending time with me today.
Thank you.
Jordan, I believe in you.
You don't say
But-
stop it. What was that? What happened at the beginning there? Did we restart? Sorry, I'm very confused about what. It's obviously like chocolate. Like what? I don't understand. How many pancakes did I make? I don't know. 856. Probably 735 because you have 10 kids, 11 kids, so they all need 75 pancakes each, give or take.
Here's what my 11 kids ate today. It's Muffin Board Monday. Today they had blueberry, strawberry, cinnamon streusel, and chocolate chip muffins. For lunch, they had spaghetti with meatballs, corn, garlic bread, and applesauce. They grabbed something at Trader Joe's for their afternoon snack. For dinner, we had speedy grilled chicken with white rice and green beans. And it's National Chocolate Mint Day, so we had mint chip ice cream with chocolate mints for dessert. Bon appetit!
Did you guys see that chicken? What in the fresh hell was that? Oh my god. Speedy grilled chicken? Speedy baked chicken? I don't even know. What the? Look at that. They didn't eat that. I don't believe you, Alicia. I don't believe you. Oh, look, the second comment. I saw you at TJ's today. Cool. That's terrifying. Hi. Love it. Smiley face. Early. Hi. What a weird fucking comment. Hey, hi. See, this is weird, guys. Like, oh god, don't fall. Don't rip my leggings either, please. You okay? Oh my gosh, the kitten almost fell down off my lap. He would be fine, but, and there's so many of them. Hi, hey, hi, early, hi. Like, how do you keep spaghetti warm? She doesn't keep anything warm. Her kids don't know what warm means. Hi, and it's the one she's responding to. And there's 53 comments on it. I find that unlikely with 6 million followers, but I mean, half of them are hi. Oh, she didn't respond to that hi. Poor cross at Jules. Looks yummy. Do you see this chicken? It does not look yummy. So delicious. Ew. It's burnt. Maybe it's the color on my TV. Nope, still looks burnt. First, hi. Oh, one of you wasn't first. Who wasn't first? Oh my god, it's so weird. Okay, that was funny. Happy Monday. Oh, freaking muffin board.
And stumble to the kitchen, pour myself a cup of ambition, yawn and stretch and try to come to life. Jump in the shower and the blood starts pumping. Out on the streets, the traffic starts stopping. Folks like me on the job from 9 to 5.
I gotta go say hi to my babies. They're home from school. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. What's the next one? Thank you, please.
Here's what my 11 kids ate
Another
today. For breakfast, they had French toast sticks with sausage links and blueberries. For lunch, they had grilled cheese with chicken noodle soup, goldfish, and fruit cups. They grabbed something from today's Walmart haul for their afternoon snack. For dinner, we had spaghetti and meatballs with garlic bread and salad. And it's Sunday, so we had ice cream sundaes for dessert. Bon appetit!
But 2 days
Here's
ago,
what my 11...
Holy moly. I don't want to watch the whole thing again. I want to listen to her smile voice. Yeah, they have ice cream for dessert every day. Do you guys feed your kids dessert every day? Because I don't. I mean, they'll have a bedtime snack, but, you know, an apple or a banana, or some blueberries, some yogurt sometimes. But yeah, we don't do dessert every day. Is that still a common thing? I don't know. I feel like, I don't know.
Walmart haul for my family of 13. In cart 1, I got a few toiletries. All of the kids needed new toothbrushes.
I feel like you bought them new toothbrushes 5 minutes ago. What is this bullshit? So that's what she tries to portray on, or that's what she shows on TikTok. What my 12 kids ate in a day in the morning routine. Look at that. 1 point Fat Tuesday. Oh, why does it have
Here's what my 11
million
kids
views?
ate today on Fat Tuesday. For breakfast, I made air fryer beignets with bacon and blueberries.
So donuts.
For lunch, I packed them homemade mac and cheese with green beans.
Homemade mac and cheese. Is there real cheese in that? Because I don't believe you. I think that's a box of Velveeta with fake Velveeta cheese in it. But that's just my guess.
A Hawaiian roll and applesauce. For their after-school snack, they had punch cake with pineapple.
Okay, so more donuts. After donuts for breakfast, pineapple,
Apple and pancake.
and pancakes with maple syrup. Okay, so sugar, and sugar.
For dinner, I made shrimp tacos with crab legs, red beans and rice, and roasted red potatoes. For dessert, Nana made lemon ricotta pie, and we had king cakes.
Had what?
Bon appetit! Here's what...
Every day is Fat Tuesday. That's funny. Only Americans have Fat Tuesday. Surprise, surprise. It's Mardi Gras. Polish people also have it. Okay, well, apparently Fat Tuesday is a Polish holiday for those that didn't know. I didn't know. But every day is Fat Tuesday. Las Vegas. What? Oh, napkins. I want bacon.
Here's what my 11 kids ate today. It's Muffin Board Monday. Today they had blueberry chocolate, and raspberry muffins. For lunch, I packed them a sandwich, yogurt, apple slices, chips, carrots, and juice. I made them an after-school snackerty board to share. For dinner, we had grilled hot dogs, grilled sausage, with homemade mac and cheese and peas. For dessert, the kids wanted to have popcorn and watch a movie, so I made some pink popcorn for Valentine's Day.
That's no
Bon
pink.
appetit!
It's got pink icing on it, but that's not pink. Okay. So, that video is downloaded. We will likely have to scrub through most of it, because no. I'm not watching an hour-long Restock My Kids mini fridge because I refuse to make any cuts in any video ever. We're not watching a full hour-long video. Especially because my kids are home and the baby's about to wake up.
Hi everyone, it's Alicia with the Dougherty Dozen, and today we are...
Shush. Okay, so mini fridge restock. 11 times. She bought all of her children mini fridges to keep in their room. But these fridges are not plugged in. You're not supposed to just unplug fridge. Okay. Whatever. You do you, boo.
Restocking mini fridges for my 11 kids.
Ah, what happened to the picture?
Hi everyone, it's Alicia with the Dougherty Dozen, and today we are restocking mini fridges for my 11 kids. But first, coffee. Okay, for Christmas, I got each of my kids a mini fridge.
You did?
Just to keep like snacks in their room that they don't want their siblings stealing from them. And up until now, they've just been grabbing whatever from the garage pantry and keeping them in their fridges. But we did a haul this weekend. We bought their favorite snacks, so we're gonna surprise them. And
yeah, because why eat the food you already have, right? No. Let that shit expire. The stuff that's in the garage, it's fine. It's fine. Let that expire. Just buy a whole bunch of new bullshit for your kids. Makes sense.
Restock their fridges. It seemed easier to me to bring them all down here instead of dragging you
Oh, hubby's calling me. BRB.
all over my house, but I don't know. Maybe we'll do it the other way next time. I need to clean these first of all. They've had them for about 7 weeks now, and like they're already gross.
Of course they are.
Because like things like melt and stuff. I emptied them out, except I forgot to put in Bodie's. So they are in age order. Carly, Bodie, Jason, Jordan.
Okay, I don't care. They're disgusting because they're kids, and they're disgusting because it's your house.
I'm gonna start by spraying them all down to take this sticker off. Why do kids put stickers on everything?
Because they're kids.
Also, Aunt Kiki did.
Are you gonna
their
take stickers
names
off of that one?
Cricket, so we're gonna put those on.
Good job, Aunt Kiki. Are you gonna take all of the stickers? The outside is fine. The outside doesn't need to be cleaned. Oh my god, what? And you know what sucks, guys? I don't have a mouse right now, so this is super hard to like fast forward this crap. Nobody cares about you. And like, why not speed it up? Like, no.
Is that good? This one is good.
Oh yeah, that one's good. Do I have a speed up option on here? Oh, speed, I do. Okay, let's do at least 1.5 because...
There. Harley's is good.
Okay, I'm not watching her clean all 11 of these. Let's see. We are 4 minutes into this video. She said, hi, we're restocking, and I'm going to clean them all first, okay? So we're 4 minutes in. How long do we clean them for? Oh, why didn't you rip all the stickers off that one? I wonder if she commented.
Look at how clean the girls kept theirs.
Also, she's older. 10? 11? She only 11. She looks older than that. She's an old soul, that kid. I think this is Z. She's a good kid. Okay, so no, we didn't comment on this. Okay, but we're at 16 minutes. And we're not done. We're like half done. 16 minutes. It's literally lazy content. Like, it's so easy. Just cut and fast forward. Okay.
Let's add their names.
22 minutes. 22 whole minutes. Who watches this shit? I don't get it. Like, who watches this? And I understand the clean with me videos and stuff. People find it relaxing, satisfying. Those weren't even dirty, to be honest. I skipped all of them, but the first one and the last one weren't dirty, and the middle one there. And I have never watched a cleaning video where it wasn't sped up. 22 effing minutes of her like, okay, we're not doing this. We're not watching another 20 minutes. I mean, like, what'd you say there?
Go in and out as much as I can. Pick one. In or out.
I bet you. I'm pretty sure DCP snarked on this video. I bet you he commented on the stupid Comic Sans that she always uses.
So satisfying.
What was that? I feel like everything's shook. Maybe that was on her end. Okay, so we're at 38 minutes. So 22 minutes of wiping down the fridge, or -4, whatever. 18 minutes of wiping down the fridge, and 18 minutes of putting on these names. And it's not sped up at all at any points in time. And she barely makes any it's literally the laziest content.
Snacky snacks.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Forgot
So after I got back from grocery shopping, I separated out what they wanted into their bags and labeled it with their names so I remembered. So we start with Harley. Why? Just start with this.
Just start with the one.
All right, Harley requested.
She's like 5, 6, 4. I don't know how old she is. She is a tiny human child.
Candy and chips.
I hate you. It's stressing me out. The sound is stressing me out. So I have come to realize that I have some sensory issues in my being going on, and sounds are really, really triggering, I guess you could say, for me. And I was having a talk with my oldest daughter and my husband maybe about ASMR, because they both love ASMR, and I'm like, nah, I can't do it. I can't stand the whispering. It physically aggravates me. And I know it's a thing. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. I'll put it in I don't know, right here. This is what it's called. And where you're triggered and aggravated by certain sounds. And yeah, so listening to this is awful. Just saying. What's the point in laying all of those out? She made a cut there though. Maybe she took a picture. I don't know. She probably did a look at all the BS I bought my kids. That is insane. That is too much. Slam it harder, please. Shove it in there. Oh, break them. Break them all. Every single chip. Yeah, shove it in there, Lush. No. Oh my god.
There we go.
That candy better be for a year. I showed this to my daughter, who came upstairs with a little bowl of like treats. She had a little bit of Reese cups, a little bit of Swedish berries, just like a little portion of each. She was really cute. It was really cute what she did. She's like, "Do you want some?" I was like, "Yes, thank you, daughter. I appreciate you sharing your treats with me." I showed her this, and she was like, that's too much chocolate. That's too much. I had a little bowl, and she wasn't even done it with like some chips and like I said, and I feel like I want to puke. What is that? What is this nonsense? A 15-year-old. So even asking children who enjoy sweets and treats and candy, she said it was too much. A child. Okay. I really wish I had my mouse. I don't have enough USB ports to have a mouse and my keyboard and my camera and my mic plugged into my computer, because that's too many things, and I really wish I had my mouse, because this is very inconvenient to reach all the way over here to. And yes, I could bring my computer closer, but I'm not gonna. Look at that! Again, someone timestamp this. When did she post this? And when is the next Restock My Kids mini fridges gonna come out? Call it. Guess down in the comments. When's the next Restock the mini fridges gonna come out? Because this is ridiculous. And we're 2 kids in. 2 kids in? I don't even know. There. Enough chocolate for 3 years. For a bee. Little bee. Boy bee. Little boy bee. And I'm pretty sure him specifically, just got like a 3-pound chocolate bar for his birthday. Or something. Pretty sure. Let's go see. Do you think she's got birthday hauls up? Ulta, Advent Calendar, Family Shopping Haul, Wholesale, Wegmans, Walmart, Target, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Christmas Past, Sephora, around the world. No, so of course she wouldn't. Of course. Thanks, Lush. Thanks. Make me go work for it. Oh, sorry. It was Dash. Was it Dash? Can't hear her because she's whispering because she's embarrassed to film in public. I don't know what this says. What? You can't read that? No way. Come on, Lush. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. It's a thing. It's a thing in my life. I don't know who it was, but someone just got like a 10-pound chocolate bar. Anyways, they don't need more candy, is what.
Good for Jolly Ranchers. And Mr. Beast bars. I believe he also asked for soda. Let's check on that.
What are those? Oh, Mr. Beast bars. Could you imagine? Could you imagine if this was your life where you had to like set everything up and lay everything out to take a picture, only to have to move all the crap out of your way to like put it all away? Like I couldn't imagine. It's so ridiculous. Okay, so that's one of the twins. Look how clean it is. Good job. You did so good. You're such a good ma'am. Oh, here's the ridiculous amount of Sour Patch Kids. Okay.
Jordan wanted Sour Patch Kids.
Jordan wants Sour Patch Kids, so let's get him enough for 17 people. Sure. Not gonna lie though, I wish I had that many Sour Patch Kids in my life because I really like Sour Patch Kids. I would have an entire mini fridge stocked with Sour Patch Kids, which don't need to go in a fridge. Also that, like, why? Why? Are these plugged in? Are these actually cold? Like, are, whatever. I guess hidden. Yeah, I was gonna say that's not gonna close.
Dash requested.
Are those all different though? Like, there's no way though.
Steak?
And steak, like, this is silly. My kid just buy your kid a steak for dinner. Like, come on. She goes and grills it and then portions it, puts it in his. Oh my god, I can't believe she put that in here. Is it sped up? It's not even sped up. Oh my gosh, Lush. Like, not even. No, the whole thing. You want to talk ADHD? This is the epitome of it. I am doing this task. Oh, this kid wants steak. Okay, so I'm going to leave this task that I'm doing, even though I have 15 other things to do, and I'm going to go and I'm going to chop up and season and cook 2 ginormous steaks and then portion them, and then I'll come back and keep doing. Okay, I don't want to watch this. I also am the epitome of ADHD. Finally, it's going in the fridge.
Requested Mochi. So we got cereal and milk, mint chocolate chip, cookies and cream, double chocolate, s'mores, and strawberry. Alright, let's see if these are light.
How many's in there? I just want to know how many is in a box. Whole ducks. I don't want to. 8 pieces. 6? 8? 6? 6. 6 pieces. Sorry, I can't see anything apparently. She bought like 6 boxes, so okay.
In the box, do you know what I mean? They are not. It looks like this one melted. So I gotta see in the box so it shows what flavor they are.
Those are ice cream. They can't go in a fridge. Okay. No. Are they supposed to be frozen? It says ice cream on them. Mochi ice cream. Like, what's she gonna do? Turn the fridge all the way down? Keep frozen. Yeah. It literally says keep frozen. And she's putting them into a effing fridge. What a donut. Oh my god. What the hell, Alicia?
She'll just know that this is starter. Bree requested drinks, so I got her favorite drink.
What is that giant box?
All right, let's see.
Something harder. 0 care. Oh my god. What is that giant box of chocolate? Oh, it's chocolate milk. Okay. Hershey's has chocolate milk? That's a thing? It's not a thing in Canada. I'm sorry, we're watching so much of this. I want some Hershey's chocolate milk. Where do I get Hershey's chocolate milk? That's not a thing here. There's no way. There's no way it's a thing, and I don't know about it. Where is Hershey's chocolate milk?
A few moments later.
That's not available in Canada. No, I've never seen that. I've never seen that, and I want some. That sounds delicious. I want some Hershey's chocolate milk. Really? You guys have Hershey's chocolate milk? So, side note, there's a Hershey factory about to reopen around where I live, and I am so stoked because it's literal, like, it's core childhood memories, those visits to the Hershey's factory. But there is a Hershey factory, well, soon to be, is, and I don't have any Hershey's chocolate milk in my life, and I've never heard of it, ever. Someone's holding out on me. Someone is holding out on me, and I'm not impressed. I want Hershey's chocolate milk. Literally just little boxes of chocolate milk. I don't know what that is. Trolley? Okay. He's one kid. He's one kid. He doesn't need that much soda. Oh my gosh, she's...
We got pretzel goldfish, sugar goldfish, rainbow goldfish, lake plastic,
I love
some
it.
jam, pizza, and some minis.
Why? Why get him minis? You got him one of every freaking flavor. What a...
M&M's. Well, he said M&M's and Oreos, but then he got like 1.5 billion Oreos for his birthday. So, I didn't get Oreos.
Yeah, 1 zillion and
That
a
would have been really
half,
funny
you
though,
think?
if I bought more Oreos. I did. They're a bunch of different M&M's.
Sorry.
That would have been
That
really
was
funny
Murphy.
if I bought more.
That was Murphy. What was the Merp comment for? I couldn't hear. It's going too fast.
Oreos for his birthday. So, I didn't get Oreos. That would have been really funny though, if I bought more Oreos.
It wouldn't have been funny. Look at her face. It wouldn't have been funny, Alicia. And the fact that you think that this is funny, that you showing this on the internet and... See, this comes back to being racist and not thinking that it's racist or ableist or any type of ist, basically, and not thinking that it's a problem. How do you not think this is a problem? How does she think this is okay? Why is she sitting there smirking? It would have been so funny had I bought more Oreos. No, it wouldn't have. You bought him 800,000 Oreos for his birthday like 2 weeks ago. But she's such a good mom, right?
One of these. Okay. Fudge brownie? We didn't see these. They did not exist. Just kidding. Alright, we've
No, you
got
should take them. You should. You should take them and eat them yourself. Yes. Yes.
peanut butter, regular fudge brownie, caramel.
Don't care. Don't care. Wow. 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 Restocking their mini fridge so their siblings don't take their snacks. Do better. Do better, Alicia. This This stuff is not okay, and this is what she's getting the heat for and the flack for, and it's just not okay. It's not okay. Going forward, because I have to stop because my baby just woke up, we'll get more into the problematic behaviors that we're seeing from her. Most of it is surrounding food and what she's feeding her children, and what, or at least what she's showing us that she's feeding her kids, or supposedly alleged. Anyways, doesn't matter. And talk a bit about why this over consumption and this consumerism is such a problem, which I know we talked about a couple weeks ago, but I think it's really important, especially with more content creators doing this like overstocking and stock up with me and restock with me and all that kind of content. Yeah, this is, do better, Lush. Do better. That's all I can say. But yeah, we'll have to leave this right here for now. I will finish this up later.